Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahim. Today's video is all about installing Splunk on the local system. We all know, most of us already know that Splunk is a great SIEM product. It can ingest any device logs and give you the output. So, mm, as a part of this video series, I am assuming that you are mm, you have already enrolled in this course, Splunk Fundamentals Part 1. This is a free course of around 20 to 22 modules. After you complete this, you will get a certificate from the Splunk, which you can show on your LinkedIn profile. So I am assuming that after seeing this video, you will enroll in this course, and the prerequisite of enrolling this course is it is totally free, and you only need to create a free account on their site. So after creating that account, yeah, this PDF guide you will also get after enrolling in this course. So for this video purpose, just go to this link. uh, this link will take you to this page, as we are installing the Splunk on the Windows system. So select Windows as operating system. 64-bit is already selected, and download now. For the sake of this demo, I have already downloaded this. This is around 354 MB. So let's install it. First of all, this dialog box is showing. We need to view the license agreement, or we can check this box. Customize option. Okay, I will not change this. I am happy this default path. Hit next. Here I have two options. I can go local system or domain account. There are some difference in this, as I am installing this in my local system, so definitely I will be selecting this one, local system. Here it says that installs Splunk Enterprise using local system account. Splunk Enterprise can access all data on or forwarded to this machine. Okay, if we select local system, then Splunk can ingest data from this local system, or if any data that is being forwarded to this system. And if we select domain account, then Splunk will go to remote system and fetch the logs as well as local and forwarded data, just like the local system. So this is a local system. I am going to select local system, hit next. Now it's asking me to provide a username and password, which will be required in accessing Splunk. Hit next. Create a start menu shortcut. No need. Install. It will take some time. Hopefully it will install the Splunk instance very soon. We are almost done. It's taking some time. I am pausing my videos, and after the installation is done, I will be get back. Okay, this is done. Almost it took 5 to 6 minutes to complete the whole installation process. Let's click on finish button, but check this mark, launch browser with the Splunk Enterprise. I'll be using Firefox. Splunk is always take the port as 8000, and this is the local host. Let's put the username that I gave during installation and the password. Okay, we are in. So this is it for the installation video. In the next part of this video, I will be showing how we can add raw data or configuring a Splunk, uh, configuring Windows system to forward its data to the Splunk. Thank you.